Hi everyone and welcome to another Louis tutorial. Today I wanted to show you guys how to add subtitles to your YouTube videos, but more importantly, how to get your videos transcribed into different languages without having to have to pay someone to do it. So why would you want to have subtitles in your videos? Well, for one, it helps the hearing impaired, but having it transcribed in other languages improves the SEO of the video and your channel. Google will also index the video in those countries, and this will result in many more views in the long run. So the first thing you need to do is log into your channel. Today I'm on my other YouTube channel called Better Mankind, so if you get a chance, feel free to have a look. I can assure you that it's very different to Louis tutorials. Once you have logged in, please click on the icon in the top right hand corner. Then click the Creator Studio button. Once you're in there, click on Video Manager. Now let's choose a video. We'll choose this one here, 10 horror movies based on real events. Click on the Edit button. Now click on Subtitles CC. So as you can see here, I do have an English version of the video, but please keep in mind that by default when you click on the video for the first time, it will say English Automatic, meaning that YouTube uses their own brand of speech-to-text technology and comes up with what they think the dialogue in the video should be. Now, to be quite honest, it really isn't that good, especially with things like punctuation and grammar, as you can clearly see in this example. So the best way, in my opinion, to improve the accuracy of the content is to click on the Add New Subtitles or CC button, choose your preferred version of English, and then choose the middle button, Transcribe and Auto Sync, which means that you can type or paste in the full transcript of the video and subtitle timings will be set automatically. Now, I've already done this for the video that we're about to translate into other languages, and I have also checked the timing to make sure that it is all in sync. If you do still need to edit any of the subtitles, simply click on the Edit button and change things as needed. Once you get to this section, we can get to the fun part of how to translate your English subtitles into different languages. Click on the Actions drop-down and then select the .srt file. This will download the file, and we need to save it to a folder that you will remember, so it might be a good idea to put it in the same folder as the video contents. The other thing you can do is remove the number in the brackets if you get one. I think this happened because for the purpose of this video I downloaded it a number of times. Next, you need to go to this site. I'm not going to try and pronounce it, but I will leave a link in the description of the video. Once in there, click on the Projects tab and select the Subtitles Translator. Now we need to drop the save.srt file into this box. Wait for it to load, and as you can see, it shows our timed subtitles as they appear on our YouTube clip. From the Translate drop-down, let's pick a language that we would like to have subtitles for. For this example, we will choose Hindi, seeing as how it is a huge demographic of people. As you can see on the right hand side, it shows the translation in sync with the English version. Now, for whatever reason, unless you scroll all the way down to the bottom and make sure that the entire translation is there, it will only translate half of your video on YouTube, and we don't want that. The next step is to click on the Save As button, and now this will download another .srt file, but this time it will be the full version of the subtitles in Hindi, which is the native language of India, in case you didn't know. Save this file to the same folder as before. Now let's go back to the video and click on the Add New Subtitles drop down again. In the next field, start typing the language you would like to add. Once it comes up, just click on it. Once on this section, click on the Upload File button. And now you're going to select the .hi.srt file that we just downloaded. Click on Upload. And as we can now see, everything is synced up perfectly. If you go throughout the entire video, you'll see that you now have Hindi subtitles. So now all you have to do is hit the publish button And as we see here, we now have English and Hindi. So let's now see how this looks on the video itself. Go to Video Manager. Let's click on the video. So automatically we can see that the English subtitles come up by default, and we can switch those on and off by clicking here. And if we go to Settings, click on the Hindi version of the subtitles, we can now see that the entire video is translated into Hindi. So if you would like to add extra languages to the video, simply go back to the site, select another language, and repeat the process I just showed you. The main thing to remember is to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the text, otherwise your video will not be fully translated. Hopefully that wasn't too confusing, and if you did enjoy this video, please give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to click on the notification bell if you would like to be informed of brand new content. This will be my last video for the year, so I wish everybody a festive holiday season and a safe and happy new year. See you all in 2019.